different. So the important thing here, how we come together to the ground to see from one side. Students here, they get good opportunity to know the education and the technology and how they can move forward. But in Africa, they try, but they didn't reach this level. In Africa, now there are organizations trying to educate the people how they come together and how they help each other and how education is come strong and helpful. In my country, 20 years, they didn't get enough education. They didn't get enough security. They didn't get enough food. They didn't get enough job. But as you know, they do something. They do business. They do good telecommunications. They do hawala or money exchanges. They do Somali society. They know the business. And Somalia, they have many resources. Our country is young, our society is young, but during the conflict and the civil war, many educated people come Western country and they started their education here, and now we are looking to bring him back to help the people, to do something there. So this opportunity created chance to know each other and to visit those countries to see how the people they work, how the people they think, how the people they live. Because young people here, I think they have everything, but there in Somalia, in Africa, they don't have everything, but they try to do something. So I appreciate this opportunity, and I want to say my English is poor, but I think you get something, so thank you very much.